Slate Memorial from a favorite photo, ready for laser. Stick around, because I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step using the Luma-Loft Style Transformer tool. To get started, click on the Tools drop-down and select the Style Transformer. This gives you access to advanced artistic effects for that unique 3D illusion look. Next, choose the style by scrolling down, then select the Heart Slate Memorial Relief. Hit Use this style to instantly preview it on your future memorial piece. The next step is to upload your photo. Just click in the upload area, then choose your image file to begin the transformation process. When your image loads, select the photo and use the crop adjust options to center your subject and prepare it for a standout 3D effect. Fine-tune the crop by resizing. Once you like the crop, apply it to lock in your chosen area before moving on. For more control, open the Advanced Settings menu to select your desired output resolution, and remember to enable the Convert to Grayscale toggle for consistent results. If you want to personalize it, type a meaningful dedication or description in the additional description field. As an example, add text in loving memory of Andy, the 25th of October 2024, at the bottom slab with a bold font. Satisfied with your edit? Just click Transform Image to process the illusion and apply your chosen settings. Once the tool finishes rendering, download your brand new image and dismiss any download pop-ups to keep things tidy. Looking to share your project? Try out the share feature and earn credits by inviting others to use your designs. If you enjoy our content and want us to continue sharing tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. Next, send your image to the Laser Engraving Prep tool. Select Laser Engraving Prep to ensure your file is perfect for high-quality engraving. Make any last crops, then use Remove Background to isolate your subject so the engraving highlights the most important details. Click Apply and use Fit Content to fill the engraving area appropriately. Finalize the crop to save your adjustments. To get the physical dimensions just right, type in the exact size for your slate memorial. Choose your material preset, such as Slate Standard, so your image is optimized for the actual engraving surface. Now, dive into the image settings. Switch off Invert Output toggle option and adjust contrast, gamma, and brightness to make every detail pop in the final engraving. Satisfied with the adjustments? Switch on the Invert Output toggle option for materials like black acrylic or glass so your image always looks its best. Next, select your preferred processing algorithm, such as Grayscale if you are not using Lightburn, and choose Stucky in your engraving software. If you are using Lightburn, keep the settings as they are, but make sure to select Pass-Through mode and do not change the size. When you're done editing, export your project, process the final image, and download the PNG ready for engraving. Close the last download notification, and you're all set to begin your laser engraving. You just learned how to turn any photo into a beautiful 3D slate memorial, prepped for flawless laser engraving. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another creative guide. Thanks for watching.